Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTaker. In this one I'm going to do the speed test comparison between the Snapdragon 888 processor versus Dimensity 8100 processor versus Dimensity 8200. So right now I'll be using with the iQOO 9 SE device in this video for the Snapdragon 888 processor, and next phone Realme GT Neo 3 for the Dimensity 8100, and finally iQOO Neo 7 with the Dimensity 8200 chipset. So let's see friends which processor will be having what kind of speed while comparing all these three processors side by side. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video, and make sure to check out the playlist for more information on all of these three smartphones. So in case if you want to know more details about these three devices. So right now I'll be using with the PUBG Mobile as an example in this video for the speed test, and let's see friends what will be the speed test between all of these three smartphones. And right now I'll be using with the gain space and ultra gain space as well between all of these three smartphones. So right now as you can see, Dimensity 8100 first, and then Dimensity 8200, and then Snapdragon 888 processor. So this is a round 1 of testing. So let's do the round 2 as well, because sometimes the first round some of the phones can be slightly kind of delay. So let's check in the second round and we'll try to find out. So right now let's see friends again which phone will be able to open faster, and later on I'll definitely include the 5 heavy games in the future. So first let's focus on this one. Right now you can see the Snapdragon 888 processor is trying to open slightly faster than the other Dimensity processors. So let's see the final result, which phone will be able to open fast. The iQOO 9 SE did take a little bit of time in loading, but Dimensity 8100 processor first, then Dimensity 8200, and third is a Snapdragon 888 processor. So next to the second time as well regarding the testing, and all the three smartphones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as well. That's something you should know about the Wi-Fi network between all of these three smartphones. So after this time I'll be using with the monster mode, and then again I'll try to do the test as well. But right now I'm not using any monster mode, no GT mode in the beginning. So just to let you know, you can see the opening loading speeds. So this time the iQOO 9 SE also did open slightly fast, but the Dimensity 8100 was able to open most of the time faster than the other processors, which is maintaining consistently. And 8200, and third is a Snapdragon 888 processor. So this is a quick speed test comparison between all of these three smartphones side by side. And now I'll be using with the GT mode and the monster mode, and then we'll try to do the test again. So just to see the difference, will it impact any kind of results or not, that's what we'll try to observe. So right now let's start the test again. And all the three smartphones are using with the higher performance, which is a boosting performance as well, monster mode and the GT mode, which is turned on. I think that this time the iQOO 9 SE may be open fast, I think. Let's see. But again the Dimensity 8100, and second Dimensity 8200, and third is a Snapdragon 888 processor. So this is a quick speed test comparison guys. So overall these are the sequences regarding the Dimensity 8100 and 8200, and third is a Snapdragon 888 processor. So later on I'll definitely include other processors as well, which is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and 8 Plus Gen 1 as well. So all those different processors I'll definitely include Snapdragon 870 in terms of the comparison. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested regarding the speed test comparison as well. So meanwhile, signing off friends, stay tuned for more updates, and finally these are the results. So by this time you would have got a clear idea as well, so what's going on. And meanwhile, signing off, stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check out the playlist for more information. Until then, signing off and bye.